Hey everybody!
Hi.
We are here with our dogs to try out this awesome new odor eliminating spray from Angry Orange. And I mean, sometimes... Hey Nico. Hey buddy. Hi. So this is an odor eliminating What are you doing? This is Angry Orange Odor Eliminating Spray. We haven't opened it yet, but we wanted to open it with you guys. This is some spray that can be sprayed on carpets or even outdoor areas, which is really where we need it because this guy here likes to mark the fire pit and pretty much everything on the patio, which is gross. So anyway, we're gonna crack this open and see what it smells like. We have, this is a concentrate here, and then this is the ready-to-use spray here.
And we even just got it.
We did. We just got it, and we're really excited to try it.
And today we just got it.
Oh, do you want to smell it?
Okay, yeah.
What does it smell like?
Orange.
Smells like orange. Does it smell angry, though?
No.
No, it doesn't.
Angry means it smells way better than that.
So we're going to try this out. What should we spray it on? Should we spray it on one of those pillows? Does any of them smell?
This one.
It does. Okay. Oh. It helps if you turn it on.
Yeah. Didn't know that.
Didn't know that. Should have known that.
Smells like orange.
It does smell good. I really like it. So this can be used on, it says carpets, tile, litter boxes. We don't have litter boxes because we don't have cats because our dogs would go crazy. Litter boxes, outside areas, and virtually anywhere where pets waste odor is an issue. Hey, buddy. Oh, this one does too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Here you go, my hand.
Good. So actually, we're really excited to use this, and let me tell you why. We are preparing to move away, but we're keeping our house, and our house is going to be used for what's called a pit pad. And a pit pad it stands for Pilot in Training. So, what is this guy doing? Hi.
You even went behind you and I tried to stop him.
It's fine. So a pit pad stands for Pilot in Training. And so there's going to be people that, it's kind of like an Airbnb, but for pilots, for the military. Fancy. Anyway, this place cannot smell like dogs. And I hate to break it to you guys, we have 3 dogs, and so our house smells like dogs. So we're actually really excited because we're going to essentially make this place smell like it's never had an animal in it ever. It's going to smell
like orange. Like there's hidden oranges in the wall.
maybe. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go around, we're gonna make our house smell like there's never been dogs here. And hopefully the pilots enjoy the nice citrusy smell. I almost said flavor, but anyway, I really like it. It smells good. So we're gonna test it out, especially outside, because this guy here,
Nico.
hey buddy. This guy here, Nico, he likes to mark things because he's a real boy. So it's safe for households with children. We have one of those. Ava, come here. Come tell us what you think.
I'm a dog children.
You're a what?
Dog children.
You're a dog children? Do you like it? Does it smell good? Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us while we tried out Angry Orange for the first time.
Angry orange.
Angry Orange. We definitely recommend it if you can see it. Hello. Hi. Check out Angry Orange if you have pets. What are you doing? We definitely recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. It smells like heaven, works like hell.